Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. The two most powerful warriors are faith and patience. You may feel lost and alone, but Sai knows exactly where you are, and he turns your battle into blessings if you adopt faith and patience. Sai says, "Waiting is hard, my dear child, but it shows that you have trusted my timing. The longer you wait for something, the more you will appreciate it when you have it. Trust in my words, I will fulfill your wishes." In the last video, we went through the story of Anna Chinchonikar versus Maushi Bai and how Baba played a peacemaker's part. In this video, we'll go through Baba's characteristics, his dependency on Bhaktas. Baba allowed his devotees to serve him in their own way and did not like any other persons interfering in this. To quote an instance, the same Maushi Bai was on another occasion kneading Baba's abdomen. Seeing the force used by her, all the other devotees felt nervous and anxious. They said, "Oh mother, be more considerate and moderate, otherwise you will break Baba's arteries and nerves." At this, Baba got up at once from his seat and dashed his satka on the ground. He got enraged and his eyes became red like a live embers. None dared to stand before Baba. Then he took hold of one end of the satka with both hands and pressed it in the hollow of his abdomen. The other end he fixed to the post and began to press his abdomen against it. The satka, which was about 2 or 3 feet in length, seemed already to go into the abdomen, and the people feared that the abdomen would be ruptured in a short while. The post was fixed and immovable, and Baba began to go closer and closer to it and clasp the post firmly. Every moment the rupture was expected, and they were all dismayed, did not know what to do, and stood dumb with wonder and fear. The other devotees wanted only to give a hint to the Maushi Bai to be moderate in her service and not cause any trouble or pain to Baba. They were surprised to see that their well-intentioned effort had resulted in this crisis, and they could do nothing but to wait and watch. Fortunately, Baba's reins soon cooled down. He left the satka and resumed his seat. From this time onwards, the devotees took the lesson that they should not meddle with anybody, but allow him to serve Baba as he chooses, as he was capable to gauge the merits and the worth of the service rendered unto him. Bow to Shri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.